Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for Hogwarts Legacy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate the terrifying spiders within this game. So let's get started right away. Now, if you're an arachnophobe or you have a fear of spiders, then the gamers have taken care of this for you. In order to deactivate or switch them into some other enemies, simply pause your game and then go into the accessibility option at the left side. This has a human indicator icon. Now, within this page, you will find various different options, where if you scroll all the way down, you will find the Arachnophobia Mode at the very end. By default, this is turned off, but you have the option to turn it on, which will change the spider enemies with something else. And this will not have any effect on the gameplay difficulty whatsoever. So once you have chosen your desired setting, you can simply go back and your changes will be saved. You can now continue to play the game with the spiders deactivated. So there you have it. That is how you can turn off or disable the spider enemies on the Hogwarts Legacy game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.